Hi, my name is Tim Bizolt, and I'm a product manager for Google BigQuery. I'd like to introduce you to BigQuery data preparation, which is now generally available. We've heard from you and also from industry research that data teams still spend a majority of their time cleaning data. About 60 to 80% of the time can go into data cleanup tasks. We are now being able to leverage our state-of-the-art Gemini models to help you perform these data cleanup operations and semi-automate the data preparation tasks. Google BigQuery data preparation allows you to leverage an intuitive and powerful interface to build BigQuery SQL transformations, data cleanup operations, joining, filtering, and loading that into a new destination table, all on BigQuery. And we're generating BigQuery SQL that you can also inspect and use as part of a CI/CD pipeline, for example, checking that into GitHub. So all in all, it's a very easy mechanism, easy to use mechanism. And actually, let me show that to you in a demo. So I have some file data here that that suppliers are sharing with me, in this case into a GCS bucket, and there's some data quality issues, and all in all, it's quite messy. So let me open this table in data preparation. What we're doing here is we're taking a preview of that data and allow you to operate on that preview to quickly transform this data. And we've also made suggestions based on the schema and the data content that we're seeing in this table. So first of all, the date column has multiple different formats, and there's a Gemini suggestion here that allows me to take these multiple different formats and standardize them and also load it into a timestamp column. So I was able to preview that SQL expression here, and I can apply this onto the source table as a temporary view, essentially, that I'm creating here in data preparation. So I've just created this step here. And ultimately, later on, I'll be loading this into a new table. We're not writing back to original source tables. Also, there's a JSON field here coming in as a string, and I'm really only interested in the roof area per house and the square footage. So let me see if there's a suggestion. If not, I can always go in and create a suggestion using natural language. So you can see there's actually two operations we need to do at once: extracting the numerical piece and discarding the alphabetical piece here. I can load this into a new target column or apply this into the existing column. Next up, I'm going to add a join table here, and I'm going to enrich my data with additional product information about my roof tiles. And what we're doing here is, now that I've supplied my lookup table, we're looking at join keys, recommending those, and also provide you with a summary of the expected join results. And once I hit apply, we can see that the data preview updates with the additional product information. So now now I have my product details in here. Finally, I just need to load this into a destination table and associate this with my data form account, and I can test run this preparation. So now we're applying the SQL that we've just built and run this on BigQuery against the destination table, and it already succeeded. This is the SQL that we just generated. I can also now add this as part of a data pipeline, so I can run this with other notebooks or BigQueries query editor queries, and I can see the pipe SQL that we generated here for this particular data preparation. Also in my Studio Home, we have a new feature that's in preview that allows me to commit these preparations into a GitHub repository. All right, thanks for watching.